Charlier cut. There are two ways I like to perform this move. For the first way, start in straddle grip with the fingers extended and with the cards mainly supported by the index and pinky fingers. You then want to break the deck in half. You do this by gripping the top half of the deck using your thumb and release the pressure from the pinky and index, and instead support the cards using the thumb, middle and ring fingers. Let the packet fall into the palm of your hand and extend the index finger to assist this. You want to create a good amount of space between the packets, and you can do this by holding the top packet at the tip of your thumb and extending the thumb. Then curl your index finger and use the tip of the finger to push the cards up until the bottom packet reaches the thumb. At this point, continue pushing with the index finger and let your grip on the top packet with your thumb go. At this point, the top packet should fall onto your index finger. You should then curl the index finger in, allowing the top packet to slowly fall to the bottom. Then close the cut by simply letting the top packet fall onto the bottom one. If the cards don't naturally fall, as you have them vertically, either push the new top packet with your thumb or simply tilt your hand to close the cut. The other way to start this cut is in mechanics grip with the pinky at the bottom. You then want to break off half the cards using your thumb and lift your thumb up. You then want to slide the thumb to the middle of the long edge and then continue performing the cut like before. Charlier cut is typically first learned in your non-dominant hand, however it is recommended you learn it in both hands. It helps that you try to learn it in both hands at the same time so the skill level of each hand appears consistent. If you have small hands, it helps to hold the cards at the very tips of the fingers, creating a larger gap for the cards. It may also be useful to let go of the top packet at this point if your thumb can't reach, and support the top packet with the index finger and the bottom packet.